So let's try some geometry word problems. Hopefully you find these easier compared to what we had before, but I'm not too sure. Let's see. Our first one, if the two sides of an isosceles triangle are each 4 times as long as the base and the perimeter is 234 meters, find the length of each side. So a big thing about this is remembering what an isosceles triangle is. And I try to give a clue in the question because I know you forget. What do we know about isosceles triangles? Oh, exactly, 2 sides are equal. And with geometry problems, we can always can, so we do draw a picture. We'll draw a picture of something for a triangle. Somewhere the 2 sides are the same. Little marks on there, make them look the same. And then we can get our left from there. 2 equal sides of an isosceles triangle are each 4 times as long as the base. So what are we going to let our x be? Or our left statement, I should say. Is it? Is that what our x is? Person who answered? Because what are the sides being compared to? The base. So I know you guys are big Megan Trainor fans, so that's probably a good thing to let x be the base, because it's all about the base. They don't get any better than that. Okay, so then it says the equal sides are each 4 times as long as the base. So what would that be? Exactly. 4x is equal to what, Tony? It's equal to the what in the picture? Oh. The side, yeah. So on my pictures, I really like to label them as I go. And I did at the start, but that's okay. We'll back up. Where would I put the x for the base? That goes, just give me a hand gesture where that would go, that'd be great. Awesome. That must mean the 4x must go on the side. Is that right? Is that good? How come? Yeah, there's 2 sides there, so we need to write it down twice. That's a great observation, because when we make the equation, because it says perimeter. What's perimeter mean again?
Around the outside.
Yeah, around the outside. Now it's not like M&M. Around the outside, around the outside. I don't get up much, obviously. What's my equation going to be? I feel I should apologize for that, but I'm not going to.
X plus 4x plus 4x.
X plus 4x plus 4x is equal to 234. You getting this written down there, big man, with his head on the table? Yeah. Cabela guy, can you take over from here, please?
So the 9x equals 234.
Yep. And then? Yes, sir. And again, you have your calculator for this section too. I'm not taking it away, because when we get to the test, we'll have the calculator for the whole thing.
26.
26? Okay. Right on. Questions to here? Okay. Now what? Okay. Tell me what's right, please. Awesome. Like I said the other day, I know you have your calculators, but I still want one step of work. And I'll write down whatever your step of work is, because different people do different things. As long as you give me a step of work, I'm going to be good with it. Okay? And then Awesome. Are we done? Right, Tony, how do we wrap this up? A sentence. What's our sentence going to say?
The base is 26
26 what?
meters. And
Okay. And?
the length of each side is 104.
Exactly. Our check has got that figured out for us. It's 104 kittens?
Meters.
Years. Yes, that's a horrible period. Okay, one more here. Sinjin uses 74 meters of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. If the length is 4 meters more than twice the width, find the dimensions of the field. Where should we start?
Draw a picture.
Of what?
A rectangle.
Yeah, here we go. Draw, if you want to draw a sketchy sketch, oh, great. You have a tool that draws rectangles, even better. So mine's very sketchy sketch. Okay. If the length is 4 meters more than twice the width, find the dimensions. What should be our left statement? That corner.
Let x equal to width.
Okay? If x is equal to the width, so when I get my left statements, I like to label stuff like right now. So right now, x. If the length is 4 meters more than twice the width, 4 meters more than twice the width. See if I can get someone else besides the corner helping me. I appreciate your help today, though. Sure, person beside her.
I don't know.
Well, what you do? Because here it says twice the width, what would that be? But it also says 4 more than twice the width, so there you go. There you go. Plus 4 is equal to? What's that piece? Yes. 2x plus 4 is the length. I can improve my plus. Eventually. All right. Now what? Well, no, it's not area, it's perimeter again, yeah. Because area is a whole other ball of wax. Back corner person again, sure.
X plus 2x plus 4 equals 74.
Is it? Other person in the back?
Would you have to have 2x and then x?
Well, how come?
Because it's
Oh, so I purposely didn't put it on the picture to see if somebody would say something. To realize that, yes, we have to go all the way around. So yes, we need it twice. And then we can go forward. Yeah, all the way around. Did I do that on purpose? I did so. Your idea, let's keep going with it. What comes next? Okay, what do you got? Because I'm right. Plus?
8.
Okay. All right. And then,
Subtract 8.
yes. And then, and we got, perfect. Oop, that's a horrible 6, but I'll fix it. Yes, 11. Then what? Yes,
Oh, do you want us to find the length too?
we're not done. Because person asked question, what do you have to do before we answer the question? But you're 100% right, we do have to do that. What comes next?
Yeah.
Who said that? Sure. I see with the masks on. I kind of recognize your voices, but okay, go for it. Tell me what to write, please.
11.
Okay. And then? Okay. 4 plus 11 plus 22 plus 4 equals 74. Okay. And then? Yeah, it does, but you know what? That's an awful lot. What's 11 plus 22 plus 4? 35. Is it?
36.
Is it? 37. And this must be 37 as well. Plus 37 plus 37.
74.
74. Oh, I love when that happens. Nope. Yes, all right, good. But the person who talked about, what about finding out the length? I'm going to back this up here. So, again, this is awesome when it does that. We know that x is 11. I thought I changed colors. So that's fine for the width. So what do we do to figure out the length? Person asked that question. Sure. So, I'm not looking for an answer, I'm looking for some words to give her some guidance, because I want her to finish it, actually.
71 minus 22. And I mean, 2x. 2x plus 4 equals 52.
If x is equal to 11, we put in x, or 11 for x for each place. So then if I have x right there being 11, so I'd have 2 times 11 plus 4, which would equal what?
I believe it
Well, I don't think you got the right number. So what's 2 times 11?
22.
Plus 4? Absolutely. So then our sentence can say that. That corner guy got his hand up. What's my sentence going to say? Okay, I need a sentence, please, somebody. Sure, Levi. Oh, sorry.
The width is, and what, 74?
What was, pardon me, I just didn't hear you.
74, or 11 for
11 what?
meters,
And the length?
and the length is 26.
Can't spell length, apparently. How much? Sorry, is erasing?
26.
26. Yes. Questions in that one? In your textbook, there's some here. The other class had 2. School as well. Let's do 1 and 3. Have that do for tomorrow. Okay?
That's like we're gonna work on that tomorrow.
We're working on that today before the test.